When an emergency hits your home, a burst pipe, a sudden outage, or your HVAC system failing in extreme weather, your first question is, what's this going to cost me? In this video, we're going to break down exactly how pricing works in the home services world and why we've designed our pricing model to give you speed, quality, and peace of mind.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Mike, and here at Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians, we've helped hundreds of thousands of homeowners across Ohio get fast, reliable service when they need it most. Today, I want to explain where our pricing comes from, what's behind it, and how we build it to serve both you and your family. Traditionally, pricing in plumbing, electrical, and HVAC work has been a bit of a black box. You're often quoted time and materials, but that means the slower someone works, the more you pay. That system penalizes the homeowner and rewards inefficiency. It also leads to unpredictable bills and a lot of anxiety. We decided to change that. Eco uses a flat rate pricing model, one that's designed using industry data and technician performance. That means the price you're quoted up front is the price you pay. No surprises, no hourly guessing, and no, we didn't know it'd take this long. You deserve clarity and trust. We build our pricing around three core principles. First, we give our techs the time and tools to do it right the first time. Second, we charge what it takes to respond fast. We know emergencies can't wait. And third, we operate with an ethical 10% profit, so we can stay in business, support our team, and reinvest in better service for you. In fact, about 90% of what you pay goes directly to doing the job. Parts, labor, training, insurance, dispatch, gas, vehicles, and tools. That last 10%, it helps us grow so that we're around the next time you need us. It's not just about fixing a leak, it's about building a company that you can count on. If you're facing a problem and want pricing clarity before work begins, reach out. Our team will walk you through your options and provide upfront pricing that you can trust. Thanks for watching. We believe in earning your trust by being honest about the numbers, because when you know what you're paying for, it's easier to feel confident in your buying decisions.